All right, welcome to another fermentation video because I love doing ferments. I've got some garlic, lemon, jalapeno. So what this is I've got garlic in here and lemon jalapenos, and that is all in a 3% brine. And I've had it in here for approximately 16 days. So I'm about 2 days more than I want. And obviously, as most of you know, fermentation, where it sits, all that kind of stuff matters. What the temperature is, humidity, etc. I did not really measure any of that. I keep mine in the darkest area of the kitchen on a tray like you see here. And please join me. I'm gonna do a garlic zapoteca jalapeno. So this is zapoteca jalapeno. This is lemon jalapeno. I love lemon jalapenos. Probably my favorite. I mean, if you got lemon drops and lemon jalapenos, it's just, so good, so good, so good, so good. So I'm really excited about this. So let's get to it. So I'll go ahead and pull this off and then I can show the little piece of plastic. I got a little bit of cam yeast on the inside of the ring. I love how yellow this is. It's kind of incredible how yellow it is. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna put them in this. If you haven't, please check out, I've got fermentation shorts, so preserving and harvesting playlist and a shorts playlist for those of you that like watching fermentation or like the different things that you can do. I am at the beginning. I'm at the very, very, very beginning this year. I mean, I'm in year 3, but I just starting to understand all the different things that I can do, which is really awesome. So I have garlic in the bottom here, lemon jalapeno. Like I said, about 16 days. Smells really great, really sour and very viscous. So I'm just gonna pour out all the brine right here. I don't wanna lose any. So in this, I can see right now, so I have lemon jalapenos and pumpkin jalapenos and dun 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 dun. 1 clove of garlic. I love, love, love fermented brine. So again, this was a 3% mixture. What I just realized is I actually have a whole set of Sugar Rush Peach, which if you don't know, Sugar Rush Peach peppers are at the same Scoville level or similar Scoville level of lemon drop peppers. So more in the 30,000 range. Right here, I've got, looks like, yeah, so these are all Sugar Rush Peach and then the garlic at the end. But I'm just gonna try, before I try the brine, I gotta try one of these. And then there's garlic in there, which, yum, yum. Oh man, it's so good. If I tried to eat this pepper just fresh, it would destroy me. It would totally destroy me, like seriously. I'm just gonna pour some brine before I finally taste it. I just want to get all of the good stuff out of here. Just gonna swish everything around. There was a garlic in there I really wanted, to be honest with you. So garlic jalapeno, honestly, is my favorite hot sauce. It, hands down, every time I've made it, I just made some that was more pumpkin jalapenos. Now, saving the brine. I always save the brine. The brine is gold. Amazing. It's got a spiciness to it. What's funny about brines is they're not as salty as you think they're gonna be, but they're so loaded with flavor. And really, I'm using the brine to keep all the flavors together, but I also want the consistency. So I'm getting better at getting the consistency better on these. I have some hot sauces which are a little too chunky. I haven't had any too liquid. So here we go. I'm gonna basically pulse it and then go ahead and turn it on smoothie mode and see how that does. So now, oh man, I can smell it. And always be careful when you open this. Here we go. Woo! It's all about the leverage. Oh, that's nice. Very yellow. Oh man, how yellow that is. Yellow, yellow. This is butamus. That's butamus. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to add some brine and do another one of those. I'm kind of leaning towards like kind of doing 2 smoothies. Seems to be the way to go. That's really hot. Oh yeah. Yeah. The Sugar Rush Peach, it's got this like sweet forwardness and then it hits you on the back. Oh man, that's so good. I definitely think we want to add some brine. So I'm gonna do a little bit more brine just to kind of get it more liquidy, and then I am gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I try to do like a teaspoon. Sometimes it's like a tablespoon. I think that was like a teaspoon and a half. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Probably helps if I lock that in there. There we go. Work smarter, not harder, people. Here we go. I'm gonna try it out, mix it up. It's really good. Maybe it could have a little bit more garlic in my other one. My other garlic jalapeno, I think I had more cloves or bigger cloves, so it was like a 1.5. This is like a 1. And I'm gonna get to save this brine. Even more importantly, I've got, you can see, I've got enough to do like a Cornish hen or something like that. That's always fun. Put the brine in a meat and then smoke the meat or roast the meat. I'm gonna put this in a bottle. A lot of times, if it's kind of liquidy, you can just do this instead of using the spatula back and forth. But if it is thicker, I generally have to use a spatula back and forth. This looks amazing. This yellow color is just incredible. So there you have it. Beautiful, Beautimus 5 ounce. I love these 5 ounces. Garlic lemon peach hot sauce. You had it. You heard it here first. So here we go. Excited. And this is an incredible thing to put everywhere on all things forever and ever. I love it. I love it. I love it. And to give away to your friends, by the way. So happy fermenting.